DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger reaction. You already know what time it is, man. Yo, that mafia, I don't know what time it is. We're back in this bitch with another banger reaction. And you don't know, we're there with none of Mr. Bonfighter. Yeah, man, we're there with the First Nation boss. You don't know what I talk about. Yeah, man, we're there with Jahshii. Yeah, man, and the one named Top Dog. And we're gonna check it out and see what Josh done a deal with. Yeah, man. It seems like ever since the local drama and Josh done move out from Jamaica, it seems like he's been living life. Seems like him taking things up to another notch. You see me, I'm not sure if he signed to a major label, but yeah, man, we'll check out the new track entitled Top Dog and see what Josh done a deal with. Now I'm gonna up the vibes much longer. Let's get this. It's Jahshii, Top Dog. Let's get it, gang. YGR. Bokla, mama nice doing alright, doing all. Yeah, some like seeing guys, customers, them, you know, nice, good body, come on.
Yeah, the dance start from we pull up not the car park. Girl set the cream at the cap and our jazz gone. Pull up,
yeah, man, dance start from pull up in the car park. Dog. You don't know, and hey, the jazz, hey, yeah, man, dog, and all white, clean like got hot.
We pull up not the car park. Girl set the cream at the cap and our jazz gone. Pull up, pop, Benz glass off. Yeah, my day and my vibes at the rascal. English, tell them go ramp with it. Me lily speed, I fly in from Philly. Image me not talking me.
Yes, Jahshii. Yes, Jahshii. Me think you find one in a dog. Me think you find one in a Jahshii. Come here, me here, SBG.
Me lily speed, I fly in from Philly. Designer image, me not talking me. Gun pa my belly and a rascal thingy. Me live my life fast and I see
gun pa my belly. I know bingy, no dog. Nobody feel say a slingshot days this. You see me and say we got it. Every day, Palmatic and inside, brother, no feel say no bingy this. We not shoot no bird and a bird gun this. You see me? This is not fully bad on the mark. You see? Go on.
Gun pa my belly and a rascal thingy.
Yeah.
Me live my life fast and a civic. Rich blessing
fast and a civic.
Pasta, give me.
I'm to big up all like the under one of them. You see me? I will live life faster than a civic pan them. I want to no man you see the haters they want but they can't stop.
Me live my life fast and a civic. Rich blessing and never no pasta give me.
Awesome.
Girl I give a pussy from the boss my city. Chef up in new sauce, cow master kitchen. Top dog, what me say? Top dog. We lock foreign and we lock yard. And I see a couple spaceship and the
Top dog, what we say? Top dog. Lock foreign and we lock yard. Oh boy, Josh done I live life, I pull that up, man. Come in.
My city, chef up in new sauce, cow master kitchen. Top dog, what me say? Top
chef up in new sauce, cow with master kitchen, dog. You see me? What we say? Top dog.
We lock foreign and we lock yard. And I see a couple spaceship on the asphalt. 25 years to not stop fraud.
A couple spaceship there, dog. You see me? I say, we not talk UFO. Come in.
Top dog, what me say? Top dog. We lock foreign and we lock yard. She bought the spaceship on the asphalt. No stop fraud, me fuck up a skull bank yard. Ha, moolah.
Big up to him, last moolah. Jahshii, I think you find it. Jahshii, I think you found it, bro.
Now the Benz and move off. GX Road, yo Fuba. 90s badness, well I New York. Them can't keep up in my moonwalk.
This is Jahshii that people been waiting for. We tired of the fighting Jahshii and the war in Jahshii and the, you see me? This is the Jahshii we've been waiting for, man. Yes, this is the bomba lavish lifestyle. The live and love life. The things are work, things are gone. You see, we are doing thing, Jahshii. And we like the Jahshii, so keep it up, me see. Josh done! Yeah, man.
The pussy cause them too soft. Easy dopey, them a some loose ball. A rifle shipping when we use.
Easy dopey, cause them a some loose ball on here. Easy catch, you know. You see me have word about yourself. A easy catch, bro. Come on.
Top dog, what me say? Top dog.
Me full of top dog. Easy dopey, cause them a loose ball.
My moonwalk. Them girl give away the pussy cause them too soft. Easy dopey, them a some loose ball. A rifle shipping when we use.
Bomba. Alright, shipping. When you use the wharf, nobody feel say a barrel come down, you know. No matter if a barrel comes, but I no food in it. Come in. Food probably night too. So, no food at all.
25 years to not stop fraud. Top dog, what me say? Top dog. We lock foreign and we lock yard. Ship out the spaceship and the asphalt.
Spaceship on the asphalt. Hey, the casting in Jamaica has gone crazy. Really crazy, gang, and I love it. You see me?
Top fraud, me fuck up a skull bank card. Ha, big dog, live large. Me make my money talk bullshit. Walk. Me no do the gas.
Big dog, live large. Me make my money talk bullshit. What? Hey.
Sick fuck pink wall. Tell them
don't
don't fuck up the
Let's go into the playlist.
9x19 chip install. One phone call that the badness SIM card. Pull up in markets with the tint glass. Girl I lose herself when the rims pass. Top dog.
We lock for it, we lock yard. Oh my Josh done. Yeah,
we lock for it, now we lock yard. And I see a couple spaceship on the asphalt. 25 years to not stop fraud. Top dog, when I say top dog. We lock for it, now we lock yard. Shoot out the spaceship on the asphalt. No stop fraud, me fuck up.
Oh man, no stop fraud. We stop. Wow, what do?
Pascal Bankyard.
Yeah, man.
Mulha. Stepping at the Benz and move off. GX yo, Fuba. 90s badness, while I do that. Them can't keep up with the moonwalk.
Yeah, man, they can't keep up with the moonwalk there. You see, I said, Jahshii, you found this. Come on.
Them too soft. Easy up in them as some loose.
I like she. Jahshii, link up. Can't get shit. A
rifle shipping when we use dog. When we say top dog. We lock foreign and we lock yard. And I see a couple spaceship on the asphalt. 25 years to not stop fraud. Top dog. When we say top dog. We lock foreign and we lock
yard. Yeah, man. Yo, gang. This a vibe. Then let me know what y'all think about this one, man. White. Wash. You see me, I say, you're clear range. Yeah, man. Fully white out, man. And we not top. Yeah, man, girl. Hey, baby. I like you too. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh, you mean Josh and live large. Do your thing, me G, bro. You rock. Yeah, man. Jahshii. Josh dad. Top dog. Bomba. Yeah, man. Oh, boy, Josh done called them. Oh, yeah, that was a banger, man. That's a banger, man. Jahshii. Josh done your fine one, man. And I can lock the place. Top dog. We lock for you know, we lock yard. When I knew that. A rifle when we use off. Top dog. Bomba. Yeah, man, I like the one, man. Josh done. Pound them with the new chat. Top dog gang. Let me know what y'all think about that one in the comment section. Definitely drop the comments, man. You see me? Let me know what your favorite part was. You see me? Was the beat, melody? You see me? I say, is it the beat, the melody, the rhythm, the lyrics? You see me? The girls in the video, the vibe of the video, the cars in the video, whatever it was. Let me know in the comment section, gang. You see me? Yeah, man. Real dope track, man. Really like the one, man. You see me? I say, if you like, go show the artist on love and support. Make you know so Jambisco dance, sending on, gang. You see me? Yeah, man. If you want to get your music on the platform or send me videos to react to, please hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram is right here. You feel me? You can also hit me on Discord. You feel me? You can send me videos I react to and all that good stuff. I also do updates on reports also. You can send me videos, gang, and I'll definitely get it done. You already know what time it is, man. Yeah, really dope banger. I really enjoy this one, man. Jahshii, keep doing your thing. It seems like you've been doing better ever since, controversy with your brother and all stuff going back on home. But it seems that you're doing better, you're in better spirits, and you're back to making bangers, man. I'm happy. Your fans, I know your fans is happy, so keep it up, keep doing the work, keep moving forward, man. Shoot for the stars. You don't know, there is no limit. You don't know, so keep doing your thing, gang. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco was here, and I hit and I'm smashing that banger. The next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Make sure you're making every day count. You're striving towards your goal. Love you guys, and I'm out.
I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shut up selector boy.